Hello, crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be talking about PancakeSwap staking. I will be teaching you how to do the staking here in Trust Wallet account. Okay, so as you can see, I have PancakeSwap token, 109.66 cake token. But first, you have to remember that in any transactions here in Trust Wallet, you should have Smart Chain BNB coin. This one. Without this Smart Chain BNB coin, you cannot transact any kind of transaction you want inside Trust Wallet app. You cannot do staking, you cannot swap, you cannot participate in farming because this will be used as your network fee. So I suggest you must buy Smart Chain BNB in BNB exchange. You can see the link in the description below of this video. And if you already bought from Binance Exchange, you have to transfer it using Binance Smart Chain or BIP20, so you can use it as Binance Smart Chain network fee. Okay, so I have 6.30 US dollar, but the network fee in Binance Smart Chain is very cheap compared to ERC20. Okay, so let's go to Dexe. Let's start staking. Dexe, click this one. We will be staking in PancakeSwap website inside the Dexe one. If you don't have the website, you can find it in the description below. Click this one. Connect your Smart Chain wallet. How? You must click this button, this logo. Okay, so you will see Ethereum, Smart Chain, Ethereum Classic, Tomo Chain, Thunder Token, Go Chain, POA Network, Callisto. So you will be using Smart Chain. This one. It's very important that your Smart Chain wallet is connected to PancakeSwap, so you can transact any kind of transaction you want. Okay, so let's start. Click this button, and we will look for pools. This one. Okay, these are the options. You can stake cake to cake. Okay, let's find another good token. So this one is 139.41. So I will be choosing this one. In order for you to stake, you need to approve cake. Click this button, and you will be charged a transaction network fee. Okay, I will be charged 0.17 cents. This one. Okay, then click approve. Let's wait for the approval. Okay, so already approved. Then click the plus sign. This one. And click max. Okay, so you can stake all the token you have in your wallet, or you can type an amount you want to stake. But for me, I will stake it all while waiting for the price of cake token to pump high. Then click confirm. Then I will be charged 0.53 cents. Then click approve. Okay, we'll wait. Okay, so I already staked my cake token, 109.66 cake token, and the earnings will be displayed here. So that's it, guys. Simple and easy to stake. So let's go back to my main wallet. Refresh. Cake token is already staked, so you can no longer see it on your balance. But if you're going to unstake it, it will automatically show here. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe, click notification bell. Thank you.